Hey everybody, we're in a 22 Elantra. Customer only has one key, and we want to add a second key into the system. So let's go ahead and get this key programmed, and let's get to work. All right, I'm going to input the pin, so I'm going to cut the video right now, and I'll be right back. All right, pin's all set, so let's go ahead and program the key. Programming succeeded. Would you like to program the next one? Yes. Programming succeeded. Would you like to program the next one? No. 2 keys. Lock, unlock, lock. Car turns on. That was a 22 Hyundai Elantra adding a key. Thanks for watching.